light energy and visible light. So we will be talking about what light energy is, what photons are, what transverse waves are, how the light travels, how visible light works, and what transmission is. First, we have light energy. Light energy is energy that travels as protons in transverse waves. Next, we have photons. Photons are little particles like packets of energy. Then we have transverse waves. Transverse waves move perpendicular to the direction of energy. That's like a right angle. So here is what a transverse wave looks like. We have different parts. This is the crest, which is the tip of the wave. It's the very top of the wave. So that's in every wave, there's a crest. Then we have the amplitude, which is the height of the wave. So it's the height from the baseline till the crest or the trough. Then we have the wavelength, which is the length of the wave. That can be basically in between each wave, is the wavelength. Then we have the trough, which is the bottomest point of a wave. So the very bottom part of each wave is called the trough. Finally, we have equilibrium, which is on the baseline on which waves form. So that's the very baseline which waves can form on. Then we have the travel of light. Light can travel in a straight line until it hits an object. Ways light travel. Light can travel in several different ways like being absorbed. It can be reflected, diffracted, can also be transmitted, refracted, and scattered. Then we have visible light. Visible light is seen with the human eye. Pretty simple. Then we have transmission, which is how light passes straight through an object. So how can the transmission be? We have transparent, opaque, translucent. Transparent is when all light passes. Opaque is when no light passes. And finally, translucent is when only some light passes. All right, that's all for today, and remember to keep learning.